In this video, I'll show you how to export your design. So now that we have designed our social media post, it's time to export it. So you could export it as a image so that you could post it to your social media, or you could export it as a PDF so that you could print it, or you could export it as a video file, all right, which would be a MP4. So in order to export your design, you'll go to the top right corner where it says share. So click on share. So now that you have clicked on share, click on download. And up at the top, you can see file type. It's already in PNG format or file type. So PNG is a photo type or image type, file type. So it's one of the best image file type. So I'll leave it in PNG for a social media export, all right? Because we're gonna export this for social media posts in the first instance. So if you wanna increase the quality, you could slide up this slider to the right because it's a size. So what it would do, it would improve the quality of the image as well as it would increase the size of the image, all right, in terms of like the megabytes, all right. So it would move to probably around say 6 megabytes or 12 megabytes based on how much to the right you slide the slider, all right. So the higher you go is the larger the file size, all right, and the better the quality. But the only how you could increase this slider is if you have the premium version, all right. But the free version would give you a reasonable quality, so you could continue to use the free version, or if you have the paid version, you could always slide it all the way up to the right to get the maximum quality out of your export. So once you slide it up to the amount of quality that is satisfactory to you, you can click download, and then your PDF file will be downloaded to your download folder on your computer. All right, so now it's downloaded. I can see it on my computer and I can view it. All right, so we're gonna go back to Canva and we're gonna export it as a PDF file for printing. So we're gonna go back up to share, click on share, and then we're gonna go to download, and then we're gonna click on file. Below file type, we're gonna click the drop down menu, and then we're gonna go to PDF print. So we have PDF standard, which is recommended for email, and then we have PDF print, which is best for printing via printer, all right? So you use PDF standard for sending emails, and you use PDF print for printing, all right? So when you click on PDF print, this size is standard, so you leave it as it is, and then you click download. So that will download to your computer download folder. And you could always go to downloads and you could open it. So now it's open as a PDF file and you could send it to your printer. All right, so it's a PDF file, so you could send it to your printer and it would print in a high resolution. All right, so now we're going to export it as a video. So if we're exporting as a video, we would have to change the file type. So we go to share again in the top right hand corner, click on share, then we go to download, and then we click on file type for the drop down options, and then we go to MP4 video, high quality video. All right, so MP4 is the file type that would export your design in a video format. So click on MP4 video. Once you click on that, you have the option to increase the quality. All right, so the higher the quality, the larger the file size. All right, and you only could increase the quality if you have a paid version. So you'll slide this slider to the right and it will increase the quality of the design export. All right, and it's increasing the dimension of the design, which would make the file larger. All right, so once you completed that and you have the quality that you require, you click download. Once you click download, it would download to your computer folder, which would be download folder normally by default, and you could open it. So it's almost downloaded. It's taking a bit longer because it's a video and the file size would be larger than an image or a PDF naturally. So here is our video, and as you can see, it's 5 seconds. It's 5 seconds right here, and there's a play sign, so you could press play and it would play for 5 seconds. Of course, there's no audio to it, but if you wanted, you could still upload it to social media as a reel. Based on the fact that the file type is MP4, it would actually be uploaded to Facebook or Instagram as a reel. Alright, so that's how to export from Canva, and of course your export file type would be based on what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to print, you'll export in PDF. If you're trying to upload a social media post, you export it in a PNG, or you could export it in a JPEG, or if you're trying to export it as a video, for video purposes, you could export it as a MP4 video. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video.